Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is yung updates regarding sa Lord Knight. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Lord Knight. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon yung updates kay Lord 9. Please bear with me guys kasi nagbakasyon talaga tayo ng malala, no? Mga 1 month. But anyway, I just want to give you an update dito sa game na to and is it still worth it to play? Ano nga ba yung mga ginagawa natin ngayon kay Lord 9 as well? So, ang ginagawa ko kasi kay Lord 9 guys is technically AFK grinding lang, just doing the daily missions and also participating in the events. Now, speaking of events, there is a new event na inilabas ni Lord 9 which you will be able to get at least 110 Avatar Summon tickets. Now, Avatar is also important in the game because most of the stats are being given sa mga avatars, no? Aside from mounts, yung Avatar Summons, yung isa sa mga importanteng bagay dito sa game na to. Now, as you can see here dito sa event page ni Lord 9, no, meron silang event na nag-run starting on October 15th of 2025, which is the Avatar Summon Ticket Boost Fiesta. Pesta nakalagay dito pero Fiesta dapat yan. Okay? Now, sa daily check-ins, you will be able to get um, 6 Avatar Summons na times 11. So, basically, 66 pulls yung makukuha nyo dito sa special check-in event. So, all you just need to do is to check in daily, okay, up until the 21 days is done, no? And makukuha nyo tong 6 Avatar Summons. Now, the other 44 avatar summons is going to be coming from the special mission event, which means that you have to do a certain thing in the game, either appraise an item, crap an item, dismantle, summon, avatar, of course, makakapagsama naman kayo, make guild donation, and also complete daily missions. Now, etong summon avatar, nandito din naman yan sa mechanics. So, eto yung avatar na nakuha natin guys dun sa summons natin before. So, kung mapapansin nyo kasi, yung stats niya is medyo marami and mataas din. So, merong attack speed, may channeling speed, movement, attack, and then defense power. Tapos may bonus stats yan. Now, kung makakuha kayo ng legendary and up, medyo mas maganda din kasi mas mataas yung stats, parang doble halos ng epic avatar. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, tapos may 3 additional stats pa siya sa baba. So, kung legend or mythic, of course, syempre pag mythic, mas maganda talaga yan. But anyway, kahit epic lang makuha nyo, it would also help you to progress in the game more faster. Okay? Now, the events, ito papakita natin sa inyo. So, currently, 9 days straight na tayo nakakapag-sign in. So, start pa lang ng event, talagang inano na natin yan. Ginagawa na natin siya. Nag-daily sign in tayo dito. So, makukuha na rin natin to on our day 14 and day 21. Now, dito sa dismantle, madali lang to. Yung acquire an avatar, you can actually finish other missions or you can actually finish yung mismong main quest dito guys, no? Kasi 'di ba meron tayong journal na tinatawag. So sa journal, kapag natapos niyo yung chapter 1 and chapter 2, you'll be able to get at least 3 summon tickets. So counted yan doon. And then what you can do to finish the others is to actually finish the main quest. So sa main quest may makukuha rin kayo ng pang-summon dito. Alright? So sa daily missions wala. Pero I think dito sa monster saan yun? Codex. So dito sa monster codex you will be able to also get these. So what you can do is to actually just grind this para makuha nyo yung mga pulls. Kasi sayang guys kung mamimiss out nyo yung avatar summons na libre dito sa growth boosting special. Now, the reason why I'm telling you that it is because hindi nyo ito magagamit up until you reach the max mastery of level 55. Which means that kapag lower, kunwari, bago yung character nyo, no, medyo matatagalan kayo dito. Though matagal naman yung event, we have plenty of time to probably finish the quest kung magsisimula kayo ngayon maglaro ng game, no? you will be able to gather all of these. Okay? Now, ang kulang na lang sa atin is yung appraise item. So, we can do that. Mag-appraise lang naman tayo ng mga items dito. So, punta muna tayo sa town. Kasi wala na akong appraise scroll guys Naubos na. So, kukunin na natin yan para masama na natin during this video as well. Now, kung newbie ka, worth it pa nga ba itong laruin? Well, technically, yes. Okay, the game is still good. Sabi ko nga, kumbaga, depende naman sa purpose mo kung bakit mo nilalaro yung game Kung ang purpose mo is kumita dito, then you might be late. Okay? Though you still be able to make money out of the game, pero syempre may mga bagong games na rin na papalabas. So, I'm playing this for enjoyment and also experience. I don't really rush things pagdating sa mga ganitong klase ng game kasi if you rush things, you will end up spending a lot of money. And naranasan natin siya with Night Crows, so that's the reason why chill lang tayo dito sa game na to. Okay? But anyway, medyo naglalag tayo ngayon kasi nagpa-patch din tayo ng Raven 2 and also yung Rohan 2. So gagawan ko din siya ng video ngayon, guys. No, so hataw tayo ngayon, guys, kasi ilang weeks akong hindi nag-upload. But anyway, i-ano muna natin 'to, appraise lang muna natin yung mga kailangan nating i-appraise. So, appraise natin lahat 'yan. Appraise, yan. So, tingnan natin kung ilan yung ma-appraise natin. Quick add, multi-appraisal yung gagawin natin, guys. So, yan. For the sake of finishing the quest, i-appraise natin. So, kulang pa tayo ng 10. So, 2 options pa yung nakuha. HP recovery. So, meron pa tayo dito, guys, mga items. So, use natin yan. Nakakuha tayo ng 1. Nice. Pero 10 lang naman yung value niyan Which is mabibenta niya naman yan, guys. So, pretty much okay naman siya. Okay, goods. So, appraise ulit tayo, guys. Appraise natin 'tong mga 'to. Quick add. Ay, ma-quick add Yan. 11 yung na-appraise natin kanina, di ba, guys? So, yan. So, ang gagawin naman natin dyan, since na-appraise na natin, dapat tapos na to isa pa. Mag-appraise pa tayo ng isa. Wait lang, guys. Kailangan pa natin ng kailangan pa ata natin ng appraise scroll. Yan, okay. Goods. Tapos magbukas tayo ng isa pa nito. Isa lang. Appraise natin 'yon. Equip na 'to. Asan 'yun? Enhance nga, appraise. Ba't wala? Nagbukas tayo, 'di ba, guys? Ulit na lang. Baka hindi pumasok. Pero hindi, ayun wait lang. Ay, hindi nga pala na-appraise ba 'to? Hindi pala na-appraise 'to. Yung ma-armor lang pala. Okay. Sige, appraise na lang natin yung mga 'yan. So, appraise natin 'to. Goods na 'yan, guys. Nagto-2 options pa no? Okay, goods. So, punta na tayo dito sa event. Yan, maki-claim na natin 'to. So, 2. So, gamitin na natin agad, guys. Nasaan na ba 'yan, pam-pulse? Nandito yata 'yan sa main. Claim all. So, 'yan. Natin sana may makuha tayo, guys. Nakakuha tayo ng uncommon lahat Puro uncommon nakuha natin, guys. Medyo malas. But anyway, yun lang naman yung updates, guys. Gusto ko lang din kayong balitaan kung ano nangyayari dito sa account natin, no? Kasi it's been a long time din since naglaro ako. So, yan, pretty much okay naman. And tuloy-tuloy lang naman ako sa paglalaro ng game na to. Na minsan kasi nakakaburyong kapag mag-isa kayo naglalaro. Pero okay lang din naman. Nasanay na rin kasi tayo na ganon. No? So, laro lang tayo, guys, ng laro hanggang sa kumita tayo dito sa game na to. Again, my goal is just to, progress the character muna. And, katulad lang din nung iba 'di ba, like nagtatagal lang sila dun sa laro, nilalaro lang nila for fun. So, gano'n lang din ako ngayon kay Lord 9. So, ine-AFK grind ko siya sa ano natin, sa mini PC natin or dun sa ginagamit natin na handheld. So, naka-AFK yung mga games natin dun. Yung Lord 9, yung Rohan 2, and also yung Raven 2 na papalabas pa lang ngayon is ina-AFK din natin dun. So, kayang-kaya naman siya ng handheld natin. But anyway, yun lang naman for today's video guys. If you do have any other questions, maglalabas ulit tayo ng mga guides dito. Of course, based dun sa experience natin. So, yun lang naman. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood and alam niyo na, peace out.